Today we got a quick little video for y'all showing off some vintage style tees from the homies over at Kinetic Kings. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. I'm gonna link Kinetic Kings at the top of the description. If you guys are interested in any of the tees, I'm gonna show y'all in this video. Now this vid might be on the shorter side, but hey, sometimes we need some videos like this. These are just some recent pickups from their drop. I thought they had some fire shit, so I said, yo, send me some shit, I'll show it off. And now we're here, you feel me? So I'm gonna open these in no particular order. Let's start off with this one right here. I like the fact they have the little hang tag. Their size tag is on there, size medium on this tee. Boom. It does have the Kinetic Playground logo on the top with the Toon World Yu-Gi-Oh card vibe under it. I'm fucking with this one heavy. It's on this vintage black tee. This one's a banger. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. I was low-key a little skeptical on the size medium. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but these do have a little oversized fit, so it fits perfectly. It has like a boxy feel to it. I like it, to be honest. And hey, this one's clean. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this one a whole lot. Doesn't feel uncomfortable. The print is actually pretty good on it too. Banger. Next up, I decided to go with an essential color tee, you feel me? One of the ones you could just wear with a lot of fits because it doesn't really have a graphic on it. It's more so a blank vintage tee, and you cannot go wrong with pieces like this. I feel like everybody needs something like this in their wardrobe, especially for fall. This brown right here, beautiful, bro. I'm gonna try this tone on just so y'all could get the feel of it, but it's basically a boxy blank brown tee. I love the way the collars are on these tees. It's like a thick mock neck type vibe on them. Gives me essentials vibes, if I'm being honest, which is a great thing. This color right here is impeccable, bro. It reminds you of fall. If fall was a color, this is the color I think about. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You could pair with creams, you could pair with greens, beans, you feel me? Like, this just works, and I love the way it feels and fits. Boxy fit that I've been loving so much recently. So hey, shout out to Kinetic Kings for your essential goods. Next we got probably my favorite piece. It's this The World Is Yours tee. This design is actually hard in my opinion. It literally just says the world is yours on the front with this hand holding a globe in it. Fire, bro. My favorite part has to be this color that they decided to go with. It's almost like this washed pink color. This shit is nasty, bro. One of my favorite tees that I own now is this right here. Let me give y'all a little close-up. I don't know if y'all could pick up the tone up close, that it's like this washed pinkish peachish color. This one isn't a size large, so let's go ahead and compare the sizes real quick. Y'all see the medium fit a little more snug on my body. Then we have the large, which is pretty oversized. Honestly, this fits amazing, bro. I love the collar on this shit. I have nothing bad to say. The graphic feels good, the design is clean, and the color, bro, come on. You can find a color like this very few times, so I'm digging it. I'm actually fucking with this tee. I might have to pull out a nice fit with this one. I finally might be able to pull these out. It might be the time, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I still haven't worn these, and I've been waiting for the right moment, you feel me? I'm not just trying to pull these out randomly because they're valuable. So this pink right here, it might not be the exact same tone, but we don't really care, bro. This shit is hard. If y'all are interested in any of these pieces, I'm gonna link Kinetic Kings at the top of the description. They got some heat over there, and the best part is it's not too expensive, you feel me? So make sure y'all go ahead and check them out. Last up, we went with another blank, this time in this forest green color. Bro, their color palettes, you got a brown, this forest green, this washed pink, and a vintage black. I'm flabbergasted, bro. Like, all these colors are something that I would drop for my brand. So I see where they're going with it. The direction is clean. There's nothing too much going on these blanks. They still feel premium, bro. I'm gonna be on the lookout for any new releases they have, because honestly what they sent me here is all bangers. So I'm excited to see what they got coming up. Let me try this last one on, then we'll get straight up out the building. This shirt right here might have made forest green my favorite color. I need to find a blank like this for my brand because I love the way this shit looks. Looking at it on the viewfinder right here, it's looking impeccable, bro. You could wear this with browns, creams, could wear this shit with black. So versatile, it's so simple. It's like a everyday type vibe, and that's what I like the most, because when you buy these tees, you want some shit that you could wear in and out, you feel me? Whenever you decide to wear it, it's not gonna be like, damn, what the fuck could I even wear this with? Nah, bro, they got some heat. Quick recap on everything we got. We got this essential forest green blank. We also got the blank in this brown color, fire. Then we got two graphic tees, one being The World Is Yours in this baby pink color, beautiful. Last but not least, this vintage black Toon World Kinetic playground tee. This one's fire. I love this color palette that they decided to go with. If y'all are interested in any of these pieces, they're gonna be linked at the top of the description. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it, subscribe down below, comment what was your favorite tee that I showed y'all in this video, and hey, subscribe to the channel for more content. But with all that being said, check out NORI on Instagram. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.